If you have ever tried to repair your credit manually, you know exactly what the process requires. You spend hours digging through files, highlighting paper reports, drafting dispute letters by hand, and sitting on hold with credit bureaus. These processing data lines and bar charts represent the 2026 alternative. Today, AI agents autonomously pull your financial data, identify complex errors, draft legal disputes, and physically mail them out while you sleep. We are going to build this exact automated financial pipeline, step by step. By completely removing manual intervention, credit repair stops being a grueling, error-prone chore and becomes a seamless digital process that runs in the background. Step 1 is data readiness. Machine learning models are highly sensitive to dirty data, meaning the system requires a perfect, complete picture of your financial profile. If the input is incomplete, the system cannot function. To get that clean input, we connect the chosen AI platform to a tri-merge credit monitoring service via an API. This secures a direct link to pull reports from all 3 major bureaus at the exact same time. In seconds, the AI extracts over 100 specific variables, breaking down exact payment histories and debt-to-income ratios for every account. You want to avoid manual PDF downloads here. A missing page or a strangely formatted scan will cause the AI's contextual analysis to fail right out of the gate. But possessing raw, consolidated data is entirely useless on its own. The setup requires a machine learning engine capable of interpreting exactly what is wrong with those numbers. This is where the AI performs contextual validation. It cross-references your entire financial history across all 3 bureaus to hunt for the kinds of discrepancies that human reviewers naturally miss. The engine sweeps the data for duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, or collections you've already paid but are still showing up as unpaid on your report. As it flags these items, the system evaluates local and state statutes to identify the specific errors that have the highest statistical potential for removal. Knowing an error exists is merely a diagnosis. It does not help your score until the credit bureaus are legally compelled to acknowledge the mistake and delete it. The true power of the AI lies in weaponizing those bureau rules to force a correction. If you try to fix these errors by mailing a standard template you found online, the credit bureau's automated scanners will instantly reject it. That is the critical failure point of legacy credit repair. Instead, our workflow uses natural language processing to act as the operations brain. The AI drafts a completely unique, non-templated letter tailored precisely to the details of your specific error. It integrates text from the Fair Credit Reporting Act directly into the draft, ensuring the dispute is grounded in ironclad legal compliance. The system even uses a champion-challenger logic, testing different legal arguments against one another on small batches of data to maximize the ultimate removal rate. Having a flawlessly drafted legal weapon is crucial, but its impact is entirely dependent on executing a legally defensible delivery method. Despite our digital advancements, the FCRA operates on a regulatory paradox. The law still heavily favors physical, certified mail for establishing a legally defensible audit trail. To bridge this gap, the digital AI dashboard uses an API integration to connect directly to a physical direct mail fulfillment center. There is no manual exporting required. The system sends the letter over the API. Within 24 hours, the letter is printed, packed, and USPS inducted. Tracking numbers and return receipts sync instantly back to the AI dashboard. This API chain of custody removes human error entirely from the logistics process. You never deal with missed post office deadlines or lost receipts. What used to demand weeks of draining manual labor is now a system that monitors, generates, and mails your disputes autonomously. As you can see in this upward trending line graph, these 2026 systems produce tangible results. Because the workflow optimizes accuracy, users hit rapid Tarbit score improvements and steadily reduce their debt-to-income ratios. Once the API connections are configured, the setup functions as a true financial autopilot that works silently while you focus on your daily life. Fighting automated financial systems with a pen and paper is a guaranteed losing game. Adopting an agentic AI workflow is the only logical path to sustainable credit restoration.